To design product for me is to do something with character. You need to have the quality of the design, not just a design. My dream is always like that, is to collaborate with strong company like TON. Wood bending, it's a technology, it's magic. And of course the bending, it's an evidence. Without the team, I can't do anything. And I'm working a lot with the team, with the manufacturer, to optimize the comfort, because comfort, it's a science. It's the ergonomy of your body. Comfort is the key. We spend a lot of time to work on the comfort. The product can talk something. Wow, it's a cool chair from TON. Classic. New classic, not classic, new classic. Color is to be enjoyed. Color is the life. I love color. I always inspired about the timeless, because timeless is important. To be a designer, need to be responsible for the future. My life is to take time. I'm not an artist. It's such a job. It's my work, you know. To draw and to trash and to draw and to trash, it's like a musician. But my job is not to play guitar, it's to draw, and I draw a lot. I have two different passions, brand and process. And it's a long process. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's more long. And voilà.